We're here at Lenovo's very elaborate booth, looking at the Lenovo Yoga 910. Now, you might be interested to make some comparisons between this and the Acer Spin 7, which was announced earlier, but actually these are kind of different beasts. If we take a closer look here at the Yoga 910, you're going to notice that it's a little bit of a heavier system, a little bit of a thicker system. Not thick or heavy by any means, but in some early press releases, Lenovo was saying this was going to be the thinnest 2-in-1, and I think Acer beat them to the punch on that. But on the flip side of that, this has a more powerful processor because it's got a Core i7-7500U. The processor in the Spin 7 is a lower voltage version, and it's also quite speedy, but it's not going to hit the same heights as this particular system. Another thing the 910 has going for it is it has up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. I believe the Spin 7 from Acer is only 8 gigabytes. Also, you can get a 4K panel in this. I believe this one is a 4K panel, judging from the size of the Windows icons. And it looks quite nice. You know, it's always hard to tell those things on the show floor, but it's very sharp. Also, up to 1 terabyte of PCI Express solid-state drive space, so that's a very speedy hard drive. All this considered, I think it's really more of a laptop than it is a tablet by far. I mean, it's got really good specifications, and it's a pretty large system for a tablet, but still, it's got the Lenovo watch hinge design, so it's very easy to turn it around. It does a good job of maintaining a position once you put the display where you want it. So it's definitely good for occasional tablet use. Pricing on this, I believe it starts at $1,300, so it's also slightly more expensive than Acer's system, but if you want a 2-in-1 that's going to have a lot of power, the Lenovo Yoga 910 is one you're going to be wanting to look at.